Hi, I'm Phyllis Lang and welcome to Nightwear. This video will show you how to take an observing plan document file that you produce with Deep Sky Planner and export it to a file format required by Sequence Generator Pro. So the first thing we need to do is either produce a new observing plan file or open one that we already have. So I'll do that. I'll click the File menu, and down here to the most recently used list, I'll choose this file, which is a short list of galaxies described in the Web Society's Galaxy of the Month article for March of 2017. So this observing plan window shows you the galaxies in the plan, and I want to image these with Sequence Generator Pro. So in order to produce a file for Sequence Generator Pro, I need to visit the File menu in Deep Sky Planner and visit Export and Export SGP. This opens a dialog box where I need to provide a name for the file that will be imported into Sequence Generator Pro. And we can see the objects from the plan file listed in the left-hand pane, the Imaging Targets pane. So I'm going to click the Browse button, and I'd like to export this to Web Society Galaxy of the Month, and go ahead and provide that file name and folder name. Of course, you can choose any file and folder name that you wish. So before I actually create the file for Sequence Generator, I can click the Preview button to see what will be done with the observing plan file. So this is what the export will look like, and it looks correct as far as the targets that are included. These are the right ascensions in J2000 epoch. These are the declinations. So I'm going to save the export file, and we have a verification that the file was saved. Click OK and then close. So with that, we need to move to Sequence Generator Pro and import that file into it. So now I have opened Sequence Generator Pro, and we have a blank sequence file shown, and I want to import into it the Deep Sky Planner observing plan document that I saved a moment ago. So to do that, I need to choose File, Import Targets, and Deep Sky Planner. And this opens the folder where I stored the exported file. So I need to choose that and open it. And Sequence Generator Pro will process that target list. And it takes a moment. And we have verification now that all 6 targets were imported. So with that, you have the targets now in this sequence file, and you can control the exposure, events, etc. As you need to. But the important thing here is that the targets are present and the information is accurate, the positions and so on. So this position information came directly from Deep Sky Planner, and you're saved the bother of typing it in, perhaps making a mistake. So that's pretty much it for importing a Deep Sky Planner observing plan into Sequence Generator Pro.